In a futuristic city bathed in radiant neon light, a remarkable gathering unfolds. Emerging through luminous time portals, giants of innovation, Einstein, Nikola Tesla, Elon Musk, and Steve Jobs transcend centuries to meet at a floating, ethereal table. Each carries a symbol of their brilliance. Einstein with his chalkboard equations, Tesla with his radiant coils, Musk with a sleek spacecraft model, and Jobs with a glowing apple. Above them, a cosmic clock gyrates, synchronizing their meeting. As they place their artifacts on the table, a shared vision emerges, the relentless march of human ingenuity. Despite their disparate eras, they find unity in aspiration, illustrating that creativity knows no bounds. As time dances overhead, past, present, and future intertwine, heralding a timeless legacy of innovation.